Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Marvel Rivals error code 258. The error reads, Login error avatar in the game has been cleared when gate is binding with game. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to log into the game but are prevented from accessing it because of this login error. According to our research, the error is likely caused by server issues, outdated game versions, or a temporary network glitch. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to quit the game and restart it. Simply exit the game completely, then relaunch it and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update Marvel Rivals. Simply go to the game icon and press the Options button and select Check for Update. If there is any update available, install it and check for the error again. If the error still persists, then go to the PS5 settings and turn off your Wi-Fi. Then power off your PS5 completely and wait for a couple of minutes. After that, turn on your PS5 and reconnect to the Wi-Fi. Once connected, relaunch the game and check if the error still comes. If you still get the error, try connecting over a different network. You can switch to an alternate Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot and then check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then probably the issue is coming from the servers. In this case, wait for some time and try again. Meanwhile, you can also visit the official Discord server to check if there is any announcement related to the server issues. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.